Number 3, so your SRA, which means supplemental rental agreement, that's what you need for if you're renting on any of the third-party platforms, any of the peer-to-peer platforms, you need an SRA. Again, I offer one. It's the best in the business. I can say this confidently, hands down. It's not even close. Your SRA is the rules of the road, and that's why you need to get one. You're going to need to modify it. You're going to need to tweak it for your business and how you want to run shop. If you buy mine, you won't even need to modify it. But the beautiful thing about buying my SRA is it trains you. It gives you 14 years of expertise right from the get-go, because you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can literally read through all 14 pages of my SRA and be like, oh my gosh, I just learned so much just by reading this thing that I would have never even imagined that I would have need to do or not do or what have you, okay? And then you can fine tune it. Your SRA is the rules of the road. You need to stand by it. It is good as gold. And what I mean by that is your renters will try to twist your arm. They will try to get away with murder if you let them. I can guarantee you this. You can't let them. You've got to stand by your SRA. That is the rules of the road. Now, because you'll have a nice, strong agreement, that gives you leverage. But it doesn't mean you still can't be a nice person. It's your SRA. But stand behind it. Trust me, stand behind it. Don't let people abuse you. And that way, your renters know all the financial consequences that they could get up front. And there's no he said, she said, or I didn't know this, that, or the other. It's all there. The beautiful thing about mine, everything they could possibly get a fee for, everything they could possibly be charged for, they have to initial it. So they can't just say, I didn't know this about the generator. I didn't know this about toll roads. I didn't know, whatever. Doesn't matter. There's a dozen things that they could be charged for. And you're like, oh my gosh, you're nickel and diming people. No, you have no idea. 14 years, you have no idea what you just don't know yet.